What's up? Good day. This is Dorby from Dorbyworks. Show you our custom on the Ruckus build right here. It's going out to Chicago. Thank you, Ed. Show you guys a little walk around. We're lucky today. We got some dry time in. It's been raining all week. As you can see, South Florida. Love it. This bike is a 171R powered on the Ruckus, no longer a 49cc like from the original factory engine. This engine can go 70 to 80 miles an hour, fully custom. Got tons of trick carbon fiber, fully custom exhaust, all the hardware down to the gold spikes. Let's give it a rip. Fired up, charging nice, 13 to 14 volts. Always ride with your headlight on. Listen to her purr. So this bike, as you can see, is equipped with a bunch of highs, mids, some mid bass. Doesn't have no subwoofer, but music is nice and clear for riding. So let's give it some sound tests. Obviously, no helmet. Trying to get some footage just to show as an example. Normally, you ride with a helmet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more.